Well, you might want to start paying those outstanding parking tickets.
Yeah, starting Friday, LA is bringing back the boot. Only this time, it's gone high tech.
Yeah, it sure has. And KCAL 9's Joe Kwan shows you how drivers can free their tire themselves.
Get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unpaid parking tickets in LA and get this new boot.
The self-release smart boot.
The LA Department of Transportation's parking enforcement officers will start using this new boot beginning Friday. Drivers who get this notice on their window and one on their windshield along with the boot call a phone number.
Receive information in terms of the amount of money that is owed.
Drivers can pay with a credit card or
They even conference in family members if you don't have a credit card handy.
the phone lines are open 24/7, 365 days a year.
Once you've called and paid, you'll receive a digital code. You punch it in and you slide it off. Only weighs 16 pounds.
The boot must be returned within 24 hours of paying to one of 4 locations. Parking enforcement officers stopped using the old school boot seen here in 2009. 300 of the new self-release boots will be used for the next year as part of a pilot project with a company called Paylock. This driver says the new boot will be more convenient.
The old is where, you're stuck with it, so you have to wait until they come and get your car.
Hale says nearly 2.5 million parking tickets are issued every year in LA. He says only a small portion of drivers rack up unpaid tickets or become what's known as scofflaws. But those who do can now kick the boots a little easier. In Los Angeles, Joe Kwan, KCAL 9 News.